Hello, welcome to the Mastering PowerShell Forensics course. This is our course overview. The course has 7 major parts and 10 sections. In the first part, we will look into the introduction to PowerShell, fundamentals, PowerShell scripting techniques, some important aspects of PowerShell, and tools. In the second part, we will look into the PowerShell forensics, start to do some live response, some system information analysis, and we continue into extracting network and user information with PowerShell. Following that, we look into log analysis, analyzing PowerShell logs, and understanding Windows event logs. In the fifth section, we start some triage with PowerShell, the system information, suspicious network traffic will be collected using PowerShell scripts. Sixth section provides you some understanding of Microsoft Defender and Defender-related investigation with PowerShell. Seventh section concludes the course and some small information about live disk forensics. What are the prerequisites? There are some prerequisites for this course. You need to understand a Windows environment. PowerShell Forensics majorly focuses on Windows. So you need to have some coding experience to follow the course. Also, DFIR understanding, digital forensics, and incident response understanding fundamentals. Previous experience is useful to follow this course. So let's start the Mastering PowerShell Forensics course. Thank you.